How to use American Express gift card to buy iPhone. American Express is a multinational financial services corporation. It is well known for its credit cards, charge cards, and travel-related services. To buy iPhone from American Express gift card, first you have to redeem the card to Apple Pay. So first open your Apple Wallet. Click on this plus button to add American Express gift card. Click on credit or debit card. Now scan this gift card through camera. You can also add card details manually. Click Next and put expiration date and security code. Click Next. Click on Agree. Click Use as default card. Now you can use this balance. Now go to apple.com. Click on iPhone, suppose buy iPhone 14. Click on Buy. Select Model. Select Storage. Click Add to Bag. Click Checkout with Apple Pay and you can use American Express gift card balance. Thanks for watching.